హాయ్ మై డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు pragna. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం ప్రోగ్రెషన్స్ కి సంబంధించి క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 7 ఎక్సర్సైజ్ నెంబర్ 6.3. సో క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 7 వచ్చేసి షో దట్ a1 a2 a3 and so on an form an ap where an is defined as below. An is equal to 3 plus 4n, an is equal to 9 minus 5n. అంటే ఈ క్వశ్చన్ లో మనకి ఆ సిరీస్ యొక్క ఆ పర్టికులర్ ఏపీ సిరీస్ యొక్క nth టర్మ్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఇచ్చేసి అది ఏపీ సిరీస్ అనేది ఫామ్ అవుతుందా, ఫామ్ అవ్వదా? ఒకవేళ ఫామ్ అవుతే దానిలో 15th టర్మ్ క్యాల్కులేట్ చేయండి. సమ్ ఆఫ్ 15th టర్మ్ ఎంత అవుతుంది క్యాల్కులేట్ చేయండి అనేది క్వశ్చన్. సో ఫస్ట్ వాడు ఇచ్చినటువంటి nth టర్మ్ తీసుకుందాం. an is given, that is 3 plus 4n. So this is a given information. First term కావాలనుకోండి a1 3 plus 4 into 1, that is nothing but 3 plus 4, that is equal to 7. So this is the first term. a2 3 plus 4 into 2, that is nothing but 3 plus 4 into 2 is nothing but 8. 3 plus 8 is nothing but 11. Next a3 is nothing but 3 plus 4 into 3, that is nothing but 3 plus 4 3 is a 12. We will get 15. Next a4, that is nothing but 3 plus 4 into 4. 3 plus 4 into 4 is nothing but 16. That is nothing but 90. So we are getting a value 7. Next a2 value 11. a3 value 15 and a4 value 19 and so on. So here the first term, that is nothing but 7. Here the difference is nothing but 11 minus 7. It is nothing but 4. Similarly 15 minus 11. First take these two difference, next these two difference, these two difference. That is also 4. So next 19 minus 15, it is also 4. So here the difference between the terms is same. అంటే డిఫరెన్స్ అనేది సేమ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి it will form a AP series. So 7, 11, 15, 19 and so on form AP series or an AP series. Now what is asking? Find out the sum of first 15 terms. Means S15 we have to calculate. First we will write SN formula to calculate the sum of first n terms of AP series. That is S15 is asking, substitute here 15. A value is nothing but 7. N value is nothing but 15. Difference is nothing but 4. 2 into 7 is nothing but 14. 15 minus 1 is nothing but 14 again. So here 15 by 2, 14. 14 into 4, how much it will come? 56. Now 15 by 2. Again if you do this addition, 10 plus 50 is 60 and 4 plus 6 again 10. 60 plus 10 is nothing but 70. So if you multiply both, we will get it is 1050 by 2. 15 7 is 105 105 into 10, it will give you 1050 by 2. So now we divide with 2. 2 5s are 10. Next, take down 5. 4 is a 4. 1 will come. 0. 2 5s are 10 again. 525 is the answer. So the sum of 15 terms of this series is nothing but 525. 525. Question number 2. First, we will take the given. An is equal to 9 minus 5n. First, we will calculate the first term. Substitute a. First, we will calculate the first term. Substitute n is equal to 1. 9 minus 5 is nothing but 4. A2. Substitute n is equal to 2. That is minus 1. Substitute n is equal to 3. Minus 6. Similarly, A4, n is equal to 4. Minus 11. So we are getting the first term, that is 4. And this is second term is minus 1. Third term is minus 6. Fourth term is minus 11. And so on. So first we will write the first term, that is 4. Difference we will see. A2 minus A1, that will give you minus 5. These two difference is minus 5. Again we will calculate these two difference. Minus 6 minus of minus 1. Minus 6, it is plus 1. We are getting minus 5 is the difference. Similarly, these two difference. So it is also giving minus 5. So it will form a AP series. Why? Because the difference is same. Therefore, 4 comma minus 1 comma minus 6 comma minus 11 and so on will form a or in AP. So now we have to calculate S15, sum of 15 terms of this series. So Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We have to calculate the sum of 15 terms, that is S15. First term is nothing but 4. 15 minus 1, difference is minus 5. So that is 15 by 2. 2 into 4 become 8. 15 minus 1 is nothing but 14. 14 into minus 5. So that is as 15 is equal to 15 by 2. Here it is 8. Plus into minus is minus. 14 5 times. How much it is? 70. So if you subtract 8 from 70, so that is 70 minus 8, that will give you 62 with the negative sign. Next cancellation, 2 1 time, 2 31 times. So we have to multiply 15 into minus 31. That is 31 into 15 will give you 465. Minus 465 is the answer for the given question. Therefore, S15 is equal to minus 465 is the final answer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Share this information with your friends.